How to start Marble Future Fight. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can start your journey as a hero on Marble Future Fight. So in that case, first of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device's type, and in the search bar type in Marble Future Fight and search. From the search results, look for the Marble Future Fight application from Netmarble and then tap on the install or the get button to start downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to download and install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Just make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet so that the application can be downloaded faster and easier. Once the app is installed, click on play and wait for your game to load. Now follow through the on-screen instructions. You can log in using your Facebook, Google account, guest account. Link your account to ensure the progress is saved, and it will also require you to download additional files. Tap the download button and wait for the file to download. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and that way you will be able to start playing Marble Future Fight on your Android or iOS. You will need to go through a quick tutorial as well, and you'll be guided how you can play the game, and that's it. You are now set to start your journey in Marble Future Fight. Build a strong team and participate in events to become a powerful hero. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.